I'm in East Vancouver. I'm at the Roast King barbecue. So we're celebrating Mooncake Festival, celebrating the harvest in the autumn here. So that's a tradition in China and different Asian countries.
One of my favorite places for roast pork and barbecue duck. They serve a fantastic steamed chicken as well. And you get the pig face, the whole pig face right here.
Oh, I see. Because
No,
people in my family don't eat it.
I know you, man.
Oh, you know me?
I know you. Hello.
So there's one of my viewers here. We're just talking here. Said he knows me.
Yeah, I know you.
Thanks for checking out my videos.
Yeah, because you get sometimes you go dim sum, right?
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
I take my mom off.
Yeah.
So she used to cook for me all the time. Now I just got to take her out.
Oh yeah.
And yeah. So what restaurants do you like around here?
Oh, just as you it's a
Oh, what I suggest.
Yeah. The same as.
Are my suggestions accurate? Sometimes, sometimes not.
Yeah.
Okay. Thanks very much.
Yeah.
Thanks for checking out my video all the time. I appreciate it. I'm here on Victoria Drive. It's fall harvest week, so it's really busy at the Chinese barbecue places and restaurants and supermarkets. Huge lineup here for the barbecue meats. I just got in there. They're gonna sell out fast today, probably before closing time for sure. It's almost 4 o'clock. They're pretty well sold out. I got a nice 3 pounds of roast pork. So here they have duck and goose, popular. As popular as the goose, you can have the half goose or the full goose. I think it's 43 for the half goose. Really popular. So here's a master here. He cuts the duck and the chicken and the goose really well. So I learned how to. Yeah, this goose, yeah. Yeah, the goose looks good today.
But he has a bigger.
Bigger goose?
Yeah, 120 for the big one.
How much?
120.
Oh, 120.
That was a 60.
Oh, for the big ones. But do you have the small one here?
Yeah, smaller.
Oh.
That one right now is 90.
90, okay. 90 for the goose,
Whole one.
regular, the whole one?
Yeah, the barbecue goose, geese. Yeah.
Oh, barbecue. What? Yeah, somebody can have a nice dinner with the goose here today. But the goose, is it Fraser Valley?
Yes, Fraser Valley. Yeah.
Oh, okay. So yeah, Fraser Valley goose. So it's a very popular place. I find my barbecue a lot here. Go ahead, give me how much?
Moon Festival.
Oh, Moon Festival. Okay, so celebrate the harvest of the year. A lot of our association dinners, we have this at different celebrations. So you want your whole suckling pig right here. Right here on Victoria Drive. Little suckling pig, you get the small, medium, and large. So
Taste is very good.
yeah, I had it before a long time. The name of the company is Roast Goose King. And I always come back. It's Mooncake Festival tomorrow. It's where in China and different Asian countries they harvest the crops and to celebrate the harvest. So we do it here. We just go out and eat, or sometimes we buy some barbecue. And it's busy today, really busy. But I got my barbecue. I'm gonna be eating good today. So I'm packing the Chinese barbecue we got today. So we got roast barbecue pork, char siu, which is the Chinese barbecue pork, and also chicken, the free-range chicken. They pack it up really nice with the cellophane, so if it leaks, it won't get all over your car. So that's a nice touch. This is first dish. We have a whole, I guess you call it guifei gai. I may mispronounce it. It's steamed ginger chicken. So it's free-range chicken. The meat is nice and firm. We got 2 boxes because it's one whole chicken. You can order it by the half chicken too. but here we got a whole chicken. So cooked just right. A lot of people overcook their chicken. Here it's just cooked on the edge, so the meat is nice and moist. You get extra flavor because it doesn't get dried up. And then when they chill it for the next day or chill it for before they sell it, that's the way I like it. Yeah, that's good. The meat is firmer than regular chicken, leaner, more flavor. So they have two different kinds. They have the, I guess call it just free range, plain, and they have this one with a, I think it's that type of ginger. I can't remember exactly the name of it, but they have that type of ginger, so it gives it more flavor. So here, ooh, wow, look at this. This is the Chinese barbecue pork. It's got the nice end pieces here. You can ask for lean or medium lean or a fat. Just like the same way you do for Schwartz's smoked meat sandwiches. I ask for the kind of fat. I like it with a little bit of fat. So for me, that's more like medium. I could go even fatter. And I like the end pieces here. So I always tend to eat a lot of the end pieces. You know, lots of flavor. See, nicely glazed. So the meat here on the end is more chewy. It's got the crust, so some people don't like it. I do. All the flavors here. Not all flavor, but a lot of flavor on the end pieces here. Ooh, wow, look at that. This is the roast pork. Nice and fresh. Today's tomorrow's Moon Festival, so they have lots of meat going out today. So I got there, didn't have to worry about being late. And this is really nice. I like it fat, so I asked for fatty roast pork. So here it is right here. I'm gonna have that piece right there. So here's the roast pork. So it's got the nice crackling skin on top. This piece is a bit fat, which I like. But usually if you want, you get a bit of fat on the top layer. You get the meat on the bottom, and the meat in the middle. And the bottom, they usually marinate it with either barbecue sauce or some kind of sauce. Sometimes they put just a dry rub. So depending on the barbecue place. Wow. And then I always have it with a sandwich. So my cousin Amy came from Montreal with the smoked meat. So I got some rye bread. I'm gonna stuff some of this roast pork into the rye bread. Now this is like my pre-meal. I'm gonna have this before dinner. So I have some nice roast pork here. So I bought a rye bread because I had the Schwartz's smoked meat sandwich. So I'll put that in there. I could have stuffed it with more roast pork, but I'm going to be eating dinner very shortly. I hope everyone had a great summer. It's Moon Festival, harvest time, so a great time to enjoy life. I hope you have a fantastic autumn. Hope things are really good for everyone, and thanks for your continued support.
Today we have a recipe for Chinese barbecue pork, also known as char siu. So be sure to make some extra so you can use it for other dishes such as wonton soup, fried rice, and other recipes throughout the week. For this recipe, you need 2 pounds of pork shoulder or pork butt. Cut the pork into 4 large pieces, lengthwise.
In a bowl, put 4 to 5 tablespoons of char siu sauce.
The secret to this recipe is the maltose sugar, which is contained in this char siu sauce.
If you don't have char siu sauce, use 4 to 5 tablespoons of Chinese bean sauce, hoisin sauce, or Chinese barbecue sauce.
For added flavor, add 2 or 3 tablespoons of light soy sauce, also known as regular soy sauce.
Add 2 to 3 tablespoons of Chinese oyster flavor sauce. So if you're missing any of the ingredients, don't worry about it.
I also like to put 2 or 3 tablespoons of ketchup or tomato sauce. For added color, add 1 teaspoon of beet powder. So beet powder is a natural ingredient. Will really give a nice color to the char siu barbecue pork. So mix all the ingredients together, so you'll have a fantastic marinade. Maltose is similar to honey, except it's less sweet. It gives food a nice shine and texture. So if the char siu sauce or barbecue sauce doesn't contain maltose, you can add it in separately. So just add 2 or 3 tablespoons of maltose into a bowl. Add about 3 tablespoons of boiling water to break down the maltose because it's pretty stiff. Then mix it up and add it to the marinade. Pour the marinade over the pork. And then mix the marinade into all the pieces. Even better, just let the pork marinate overnight in the fridge. So when you're ready to cook the barbecue pork, take it out for at least an hour before you put it in the oven. The best way to cook the barbecue pork is to put it on a rack on top of a roasting pan. Put 1 cup of water or more in the roasting pan. Preheat your oven at 400 degrees Fahrenheit and cook the char siu barbecue pork for 30 minutes. You can turn the pork over at the halfway mark, around 15 minutes. Usually I just let the pork cook for the whole half hour without turning it over. Add 2 tablespoons of honey to the leftover marinade that you saved. At this time, use a brush or a spoon and slather some of the marinade over each of the char siu pieces. As you can see, you're going to get a nice shine with this marinade. Set the temperature at 350 degrees Fahrenheit and cook the char siu for another 15 minutes. So once the char siu is finished cooking, let it rest for at least 10 to 15 minutes before you cut it. When you cut the char siu, cut it into bite-sized pieces. Put the char siu pieces on a nice serving plate. Be sure to save a few pieces for your other recipes throughout the week. There you have it, my version of char siu, Chinese barbecue pork. You'll be proud to serve this dish to your friends and family. Is this better than store-bought? Only you can tell. Now you can order the products and ingredients that I use in my cooking videos. Just click the link below in the description for the Chinese cooking accessory guide. You can order everything online, including the wok that I use and some of the equipment that I use. Thanks for checking out my video, and please give me a thumbs up, and be sure to check out some of my other videos on this channel, and please subscribe. If you get a chance, check out my other channel, the award-winning Chinese cooking channel.